Before watching this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is migratory birds. हिजरत करने वाले परिंदे. Those birds who migrate from one location to another location in order to breed, feed and raise their offspring. वो परिंदे जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह माइग्रेट करते हैं for feed their rising children. Birds migrate to survive. Birds migration is one of the great wonders of a natural world. They come from far off lands. 1 billion birds migrate from Siberia to Pakistan in winters. They visit the place every year and leave the place before the arrival of monsoon. Let's see which are the common migratory birds come in Pakistan. Greater flamingo, pintail duck, heron, geese and crane. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.